We have a Nauticat 38, and that is not a normal modern sailboat. The Nauticat is a heavy old-fashioned lady, and the question is, how does this old boat behave in rough conditions and heavy sea? We have been out in some nasty weather. Luckily, we have not been out in a really dangerous storm, but we have tested her in some coastal steep waves. We also have a lot of experience from other boats, both motorboats and sailboats. So, how is she, the Nauticat, when she's going against the waves and the weather? My short answer is that she is very seaworthy and that she is a safe and comfortable boat to be in when there's a lot of sea. That does not mean that there are no movements, especially when the sea comes from the side, then there can be a lot of rolling. But my experience is that she has comfortable and predictable movements compared to other boats in the same size. Especially when she goes straight towards the sea, as you can see now, I think she really impresses me. Modern boats are often flat in the bottom to give good speed when sailing and to give a lot of space inside the boat. This is nice on calm summer days and when you're in the port. But out in a rough sea, the modern boats can be uncomfortable. When the flat bottom hits the water, it slams and the whole boat shakes. Our Nauticat is not like that. She has calm, comfortable and predictable movements in the sea, the conditions taken into consideration. Our old Nauticat, on the other hand, has a more V-shaped hull. This means that she cuts through the waves better than a flat-bottom modern boat. Another characteristic of our Nauticat motorsailer is that she is heavy. This means that she needs a little wind to sail, but out in the rough seas it helps to provide smooth movements. Our boat weighs 15 tons or more than 30,000 pounds. It is a heavy boat for being 38 feet. My opinion is that this is an advantage. And as people say, you don't buy cruising boats by the foot, you buy cruising boats by the pound. So, to conclude, a Nauticat is a heavy and old-fashioned boat, but out in rough weather, we see this as an advantage. She takes the waves in a safe and comfortable way. If you want to learn more about the sailing performance of different types of Nauticats, please watch the video shown in the upper left corner now. Down below you can get a full tour of our boat. And on the other side you can see when we had to be rescued at sea.